Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert image in Microsoft Excel on mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone and first of all, I'm going to go to my Microsoft application and then I'm going to create a new Excel file. Wait, I'm going to click on create and I'm going to select Excel. And here I'm going to select the blank workbook and I'm going to insert image in this Microsoft Excel file. Okay, if we want to insert image, we can go to this menu guys. Okay, you can click on this little arrow and then here as you can see that now we are in home menu. And if we want to insert image, we have to go to the insert menu right here. Just tap on this option and you're going to click on insert. Okay, and here we'll be able to insert table, data from picture, pictures, shapes, text box, and also chart, comment, checkbox, and also link. And since we want to insert an image, we can select the pictures. Okay, then here you can choose whether you want to get the picture from your photos or your camera. And I'm just going to select photos and I'm just going to pick random image from my gallery guys. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this arrow to insert this image. Alright, and before we insert this image in our file, we can apply filter or crop the photo. Let's say I want to crop it and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and here you will get more options. You can also rotate your photo, and once you're ready to insert this photo in your document, you can click on done. Okay, and now the image has been inserted in this document and we can make it smaller or make it bigger. I'm just going to make it smaller like this and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, now it's done. You will be able to crop it right here as well if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And you can edit your photo guys after you inserted this photo in your document. You can just edit according to your style. Okay guys, and that's all the way to insert image in Microsoft Excel on mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.